Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe, serving up some girly girl today. Not used to this, but I'm feeling it. We'll do some holiday glitzy glam. I tried out some new holiday collections. Wanted to serve up something a little different and like the way it turned out. Holiday is really fire this year, like I said in another video. They're coming out with some heat, so I used some of those collections today. If there's anything you see that you want me to use, please let me know. So if you want to see how to get this girly, glitzy, holiday glizam, please stay tuned. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm really feeling the vibe of being extra today. So let's do the most. I'm going to start off with the Drunk Elephant B Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. I like a serum under makeup sometimes more than moisturizer, just because all the heavy moisture I need right now is just too slippery under makeup. So having something light that'll absorb is just the business underneath makeup. And I'll just give it a little blendy in, of course. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in Oyster. I'm going to put that right in my T-zone. Almost. It's a highlighter, but I'm using it kind of to blur my pores, let it catch the light, you know? Next, I'm going to use the Jouer Rose Smoothing Rose. Ugh, I can't with long ass names. Smoothing Sugar Lip Scrub. That's not even that long. That's all on me. I'm going to use some of that. So my lips are very dry to the point I can't even move my mouth that much. So hopefully this will like give them a little plump and exfoliate. I don't think I've ever used lip scrub. Well, I'm gonna. Feels good. Now what do? I guess you just wipe it off. Next, I'm going to go in with the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer Lip Conditioning Treatment. I need that already. I know that's a weird thing, but I can move my lips a lot better. I live for like lip balm, lip conditioners. This feels pretty good. Next, I'm just going to put some concealer right around my brow area because I'm going to do my brows first today. Oh my god. Because my face skin is kind of light and my foundation's dark, I'm going to use a little bit of foundation too. I just need to make sure that I'm going to have a halo of glowing light-skinnedness underneath when I actually do my foundation, and then it'll just be easier to blend. For brows, I'm going to use the Desi Perkins Bomb Ass Brows Kit by Benefit. This is pretty cool. My hair's lighter, so I might be able to get away with these colors. I'm going to do my best. Let's start. Wow, this is pretty light, but that's okay. I'm going to use this pinky color underneath my brows to sculpt them first. Yeah, that's really light. I'm gonna mix it in with my foundation after. But I just want to kind of lift beforehand, because if I do this after, I feel like it's just gonna be like way too light. Then you can kind of see where you want to fill it in. And I guess if you want them to be straight, you could just draw a line across. I see all these people making unibrows on IG videos now, so might as well see what that's all about. This is giving myself a pretty generous eye lift. I'm gonna blend that because I hate it. Okay. Whenever I have these pencil things, I like to do it before I do my brows, just so I can sculpt ahead of time. That way you can't mess up. With that being said, I'm going to go into the Ka-Brow. This is more waxy than the products I'm used to using for my brows and more sheer, but like I said, I'm going to give it a real good go today. Has a little brush on the tip. Move it on the back of your hand. From the little line that we made, I'm going to do little strokes upwards. Oh, this is bomb actually. Maybe the one I had was old or something. But this is making the streaks. I'm here for it. Okay, wow, all this time. I did not know. When you do your snatching beforehand too, it gives you a little bit more of a natural brow. I'm not mad at this at all. And I'm just kind of going over top of where there's skin showing. I'm not mad at this. I need to dig up some of my Benefit Ka-Brows because this is working. And it's handy because it has a brush in it. That's a big old brow I just did. Wow. I should chill a little bit. I'll probably snatch it again with concealer. That's actually my shade. That's thick. That's like 10 C's worth of thick. What else we got here? Oh, a brow brush. Okay. Then I'm going to go into the Foolproof Brow, but I'm just going to give them a little comb through, and then I can kind of see any gaps that I missed. So I'm going to use the lighter part to fill in the center or the inner parts of my brow. I mean, it's working. But this is her shade. This isn't my shade. So I'd probably go with like a warmer tone. But it might look good with my hair. You never know. Let's do the 24-hour brow setter. Ooh, weird. Look. It's like goo. I'm just going to comb it up so my brows are snatched for 24 hours. Next, with a Morphe M410 brush and a foundation concealer mix, I'm going to snatch my brows because they're really big. Cool, and the little pencil made it like a nice little underbrow highlight. For skin, I'm gonna again do the most. We're gonna do the Rebound Collagen Infused Complexion Prep Priming Spray by Urban Decay. Give me that collagen. And for foundation, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Studio Skin Hydrating 15-Hour Wear Foundation in 4.0. And obviously a finger blend. For concealer, I'm gonna do, the Jouer Butterscotch Essential High Coverage Cream Concealer. Right up under those eyes. And I'm doing little V's under the eyes to kind of lift my cheekbones. And I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a finger blend to help it move. Buff that out with a little beauty blender. I'm so weird. See how that lifts? Now, I don't set anything with powder because, like, I'm way too dry for that. Sometimes, but rarely. But it's just because it's too dry and it makes me look older. And I'm using long-wearing products, so it stays anyways. I don't need to set it. For eyes, I think I'm going to do the Too Faced Pretty Rich Holiday Palette. I don't know if it's holiday, but I think it's new. Also, Pure Cosmetics came out with like a Grinch collaboration. And they have a little brush set, so I think I'm going to dive into those. And I'll take the blending brush from the set and let's go into this color. I don't like cool tones very much, but I'm going to do it today. And I'm going to use that as my transition base color. I don't think I've ever used Too Faced eyeshadows before. I don't know. I'm going to go right up in that crease. Blends nice though. And that shade is Fancy That. I'm just pushing into where it kind of sinks in into my crease and buffing it out. Usually I do my contouring and everything before I do my eyes, but you know, let's just switch it up a little bit. It looks like each row is almost like its own little palette of 4 that you can use. For inspo, it has like a glittery, a pressed glitter and 3 other shades. So I'm gonna just mix it up and do whatever I want. For the outer part, let's go into Oh That's Rich. Very dark. I probably should use a smaller brush, but what are we doing today? The most, so let's just go ahead and do a fluffy brush. And I'm just rolling it on the outer part of my eye, mixing it into our transition. Pretty dark. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna go into this shade, should I do that? I'm gonna go into the shade Filthy Rich in the corner here. Kind of like a cool tone taupey brown, and I'll put that on the lid and buff it around into the other shades so it's kind of all glistening. I'm gonna go in with some concealer and a snatching brush, and we're gonna cut the crease. I don't like to go too far above my actual lid space because I don't feel like I have the eye shape for it. And I'm just gonna roll it on top of my lid. And I'm just going halfway. A little finger blend on the outer part. And I'll take our Filthy Rich color again to just blur that edge. Next, with the Diamonds and Breakfast color and a finger, I'm gonna press it on. And that's the pressed glitter. Ooh, I wasn't sure about this, but now I see that glitter and I'm kind of living. Ooh, I didn't know it was gonna be like that. This is a good formula of pressed glitter because it actually sticks. Ooh, yeah. I'm into this. I'll be like striggity straight up. The colors aren't super duper exciting, but the glitters are very exciting. And even though the colors aren't exciting, they're all super practical, so I'm happy with this palette. That's full on glitter without fallout. Okay, well, that went well. I'm gonna go into this little brush and let's do the Clutch Your Pearls. The names are so bougie, but I'm here for it still. Oh, that's a surprise. It's pink. Just tapping that on the lower inner part of my eye on the bottom. I mean, let's just do a little under here too so we can carry through that pinky color because it's very pink. Wow. I'm gonna pull that into my crease a little bit too just so there's not just pink on the bottom. I wasn't expecting that. It's pretty though. So I'm gonna go in with that color because it's so pinky, and I'm just gonna fluff a tiny bit into my crease so I get a bit of that color moved around. This took a turn. So I decided to do liner. I'm gonna go into this double-ended liner by Mcgrath. It's got like a really fine but fat felt tip and another felt tip that looks like a Sharpie. I love this just because I can kind of tap with the angled end and then smooth out with the other end. So wish me luck. I'm gonna start just tapping lightly in the inner corner just to make it black because I don't think I want to go too thick with this liner. Honestly, like big brushes, big eyeliners, I feel like I have more control with. So this is good for me. And let's do a little wing out here. Now I got eyeshadow on there. I don't have any room to correct concealer. So from that line, I'm just gonna do a line across, like so, and just smooth it out. And then I can always take the other side to fill it in. And it's super easy because it's big, so you can just get quick lines, you know? And I'm gonna bring it right to the inner corners of my eyes. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Sometimes I like to do both and then see, do I wanna make it bigger or do I wanna keep it the same? So let's just go on the other side. And I'm always leading with the fat end, just like how you would an angle brush. So Nars came out with a sexy holiday collection, and this is a cheek palette. So I'm gonna that was a gross face. So I'm gonna use this fella. I'm gonna start with highlighting. I'm gonna go into the top pink one. I don't need to read the name because it's just gonna be wrong probably. And I'll use that on the highest points of my face. And we'll go down the center of our nose, top lip. I'm gonna try this one too because it's cute. I'm gonna go put a little over top for some more extraness. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, that's nice. I think I'll go in with the cooler tone one so it matches the pink on her eyes a little bit more. So I'm gonna mix these two. This is just a mess, sorry, going into all of the colors. But I really like this palette. Yeah, probably put on too much. That's okay. I wanted to do the most in this video and here we are. I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 30M to contour my nose. And this is a brush from a Morphe holiday set. I've been using them a lot in my recent videos. So this is just one of the brushes that comes in the set. It's unnumbered. I'm just pushing this right up against the bridge of my nose. Honestly, any brush that's kind of small enough but fluffy to buff near your nose is gonna do the trick. And then I'm just gonna use my favorite thing and use the MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. Push it right up against your cheekbone, like so, on the neck. This highlight, I don't even know if that was a highlight I used. It's pretty soft, but I'm kind of digging it. On the forehead, sorry to my pink headband that my sister got me in Taiwan. I'm gonna go with the Shiseido Imperial Ink Mascara. I love this mascara. I've used it so much. I need a new one, but it's sold out at Sephora. But it's honestly so bomb because it gives you nice spiked lashes, makes you believe you do have lashes even if you don't. And doesn't really smudge, it more crumbles, but that's just if you wear it for a really long time. It actually lasts. Okay, real talk, one time I fell asleep in my makeup and it was just crumbly underneath. I feel like I could even put more of that pink, but it's just like so iridescent that when you move, looks like you don't have pink, but then it catches the light and you're like, dang, that's pink. So Iris Beauty finally came out with some new lashes, and these are synthetic. These are the lashes in Ocean, and I haven't tried these yet. And they're not falling out when you try and pull them out of the lash case. When I want to keep my lashes hella long, I will cut from the inner corner. Let's see where we want to go. Those are cute. I'm going to cut these from the inner corner right here and just a little piece on the end. Those are going to be fire. Thought I brought my wave glue over here. Let's just wiggle those down as close as we can and as far as we can to the outer part of our eye. Not gonna lie, that went really well. Has a firmer lash band, so sometimes easier to control. Wow, these are freaking nice. Are they? They are. And I'm just kind of shaping it to my eye. I honestly prefer lashes that have been worn once or twice, just because they've kind of molded to the shape of your eye better, but these are good. That'll be a hard yes from me. Same thing, outer part and Wow, 2 for 2. That went well too. Giving it a pinch to bind my lashes and the false lashes together so nobody can see the transition. Not that they look real or whatever. Like if you're gonna wear your fake things, you want to make sure that it's blended so it's not obvious. Not like, oh wow, your eyelashes falling off, or you can see your other lashes. You just want to be like, oh, she looks really cute. These lashes. I thought this look was gonna be pretty extra, but I don't know, it looks kind of tame. What are we gonna do for the lips, guys? They came out with these lip crayon sets, so I think I might explore that because I've never tried these before. Velvet matte lip pencil. Okay. Wow, how innovative. I'm gonna do some nude again, but I'm gonna use Rowdy and Bondage. Rowdy first. And over top of that lip stuff I used from Jouer, my lips look plump and youthful and hydrated. Very impressed because they were very crusty. So we're gonna do a little of this on the outer part of our lips. Much darker than I thought. I don't like pink lips, but I think I'm gonna do it just for the sake of trying new things. I'm gonna go in with Skin Tight instead of that other one I was gonna use. I'm not a fan of pink lipstick. But it's not bad, I guess. These look nice. This isn't bad. It's like a nude pink. I'm sure it's going on more sheer because I have the lip moisturizer on, but this looks really nice. I like that. I was gonna put some glittery stuff, but my last video I did glossy lips, so I think I'll leave it like this. Are we done? No, yeah, I wanted to try this too. Because it says my name on it. Very cute. Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Long lasting. Never tried this, and I'm gonna try it. I'll let you know how it goes. I don't even know. Oh, I hit my face. There we go. It smells like glue. Or baby wipes? No, it smells like baby wipes. Anyways, I'm gonna go brush my hair. Why am I sitting on my knees? Ouch. Too old for this crap. Okay, wow, so in a strange turn of events, going from usually wearing boy clothes and kind of got like an edgy look, this feels very like Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I'm a nice girl with a lot to offer. I'll just wear glitter and pink lipstick. Let's go for Bellinis. Tomboy girly, if that makes sense. Anyways, this is a big change for me, but I kind of like it, okay? I feel comfortable usually, but this is I don't mind. So that completes our look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this holiday glitzy glam tutorial. I got glitter all over my chest, but you can just rub it in and make your holiday, make it cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.